So our problem was, how do we activate the Generation Z to become environmental hacktivists and activists and not pacifists? So after much discussion, we decided that we would want to make a prototype of an app targeting Generation Z to motivate them to take steps towards conserving the environment through ways like community service hours. So it would be a platform where you could generate global ideas with a social platform by posting, hey, I just created a tree made out of green bottles, what did you do this day? Or engage and extend thinking and giving them resources where they could also communicate to other people. Like, hey, I'm an artist that wants to reach people with bottles. How do I make drums out of that? Notifications based on events near you, like the mayor made a park cleanup today, come join us for some community service hours. And also to zero in and create partnerships with other people and community outreach in which people can show their true leadership with other people by seeing how you can create partnerships in day-to-day basis.